Now I would like to just move a little bit and ask Dr. Bharat Vatwani few things. One is, do we as doctors give back to the college or to the society as much as we should? And perhaps what motivated you from the college perspective? Dr. Bharat, please. You little unmute yourself for Dr. Bharat.
Yeah, thank you very much. Please don't hesitate in telling me to cut short. I'm aware that we are beyond time. I think I'll address the second question first. I was second in inter-science when I joined MBBS. I could have very easily chosen any other college. I chose Grand Medical College, and after I got the award, I wonder whether Grand Medical College had anything to do with the award. And I think that if at all anybody else had to do anything, I mean, you look at life from the point of view of me having met Baba Amte, no doubt that he was mentorship in the true sense of the word. But you cannot deny that GMC contributed in a huge way. I mean, I was the guy who had almost given up MBBS in first MBBS. I was the guy who found it very difficult in second MBBS. I was the guy who would have never cleared MBBS at all had Dr. Rajan Garg, a senior, not bothered to teach me specifically medicine. I was the guy who had failed in general practice. I was the guy who would have never got into psychiatry had Dr. Ghanshyam Bhimani, my senior, not forced me to take up psychiatry and allowed me to do a non-medical job simultaneously. And I was the guy who had failed in my MD psychiatry first shot. Despite all that, if there is one thing that remained within me, that was the exuberance and that was the vision, which is unique only to GM sites. It is unique only to GM sites. Believe me, I mean, I look at all the people who have given me before or after. You look at, somebody mentioned that there are 13 Talwalkars. Look at Vasant Talwalkar's contribution to my life. I mean, he's a legend. Even then, just a few years ago, he came over and visited our Karjat Center. That's giving in the true GMC style. In 2012, there is a classmate of mine, Dr. Ali Poonawala. He cycled from Bangalore to Pune. He dedicated that cycle race to me. I didn't tell him, but he did it. That is the greatness of spirit of GMC. I got the Raymond Magsaysay Award. I mean, I'm making this as brief as possible and giving you all the emotional fundas that I have in life about GMC. You look at, after the Raymond Magsaysay Award, I was felicitated by my senior batch, my batch in which my brother is there, Dr. Lakshman Vatwani. I met there a guy called Dr. Quresh Bandukwala. This was direct after MBBS I was meeting him. He called me over to the US, hosted me and had multiple fundraising events for me. That's giving GMC style. You look at O.P. Kapoor and you look at all these legends, you look at Noshir Wadia, you look at Singhal, you look at the Undre, Rasik Patel, Srikhande. I mean, I have never met them. I keep on hearing stories about them, keep on thinking, oh my God, everybody has given so much, everybody has given so much. Alka Deshpande. I mean, when you realize that somewhere along the line, the giving is the most important part. Somewhere along the line, the giving is the most important part. And that one fundamental thing which is there in GM sites, which is that there is no sibling rivalry. There is no sibling rivalry. I mean, everybody's happy, everybody's content. There's no wastage of energy in trying to find out who did what and who achieved this much, and he got 1 mark more and he got 2 marks more and all that. That is all done and dusted the moment you enter GMC. Nobody really cared whether Dr. Bharat Vatwani was a good student, bad student. I mean, we were great human beings purely because each one of us was a GM site. That was the spirit of GMC. That was the spirit. And I remember my classmate, I mean, I just, after the Raymond Magsaysay Award, the Indian Medical Association of Pune felicitated me. I met Dr. Sunil Otiv there for the first time. He's my batchmate. After MBBS, directly I was meeting him. Today, he's involved with helping out in the plastic surgery. He's a plastic surgeon. He's involved in helping out and he does such good work even on WhatsApp. My classmate, another classmate, Sanjay Vaidya. I brought a patient. We picked up a patient from the road who had this big a wound. Nobody would have touched him with a 10-foot pole. That patient belonged to Bangladesh. There was no consent. But I asked Sanjay, let's do this. I'll do the plastic surgery component. He did it in the operation theatre of another gentleman called Dr. Bharat Shah, who was also a GM site, absolutely free of charge. Hemant Kotwal, my classmate, called me over to Nasik and said, let's do something for the wandering mentally ill. He booked the auditorium on his own. He called the audience on his own. He sorted that the press was there on his own. I never asked him. That is giving. That is giving. And believe me, because of that one single phenomenon of Hemant Kotwal, the IMA branch of Nasik got moved and they called me further. And subsequently, there was a huge this thing, and they are about to set up a center for the wandering mentally ill in Nasik. That is the contribution of GMC. In GMC, the simple funda, from whatever I can make out as a psychiatrist, I mean, I've given a little bit of thought as to whether there is method in this madness. The method in this madness is that finally we as GMCites believe in that phenomenal song, कि हम हैं राही प्यार के हमसे कुछ न कीजिए, जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो, दर्द भी हमें कबूल, चैन भी हमें कबूल, हर तरह के फूल हार में पिरो लिए. That is the hallmark of the GMcite guy as I know it. Now coming to the first question as to whether we are giving as much as we should as doctors, I believe we are not. I believe we are not. I mean, I remember a lot of my classmates, a lot of my seniors, a lot of people who had come from villages, who were down and out, and who said that they would do something. And I don't see that amount of giving which should be happening. It's like that Satyanarayana Puja. You say that, yes, we will do good after we set up practice, after we set up practice. But somehow it is not happening to the extent that I would want it to happen. And I believe, I mean, if at all there is a revival of giving, if at all there is a revival of being in the Mumbai colleges, I would rate and I would hope and I would pray that GMC is the college which rises to the top. I mean, I just I was just a participant of the GMC talk show, which is being conceptualized by the younger generation. And I hope that GMC will take to the forefront all this giving, all this innumerable giving by all these teachers of ours who are there and who have guided us all along over the years, given free of charge, their knowledge, their wisdom, their learning, their everything. Can we take this forward? Can we take this forward? We should, we can, and we will. If you have any more questions, let me know. I think I have just about.
Thank you. Beautiful. Fantastic. I think you will make hearts flutter in all GMcites. I think you sent the message loud and clear. So being a GMcite is unique, and that is enough. That takes care of everything else.
Oh boy, that takes care of just about anything. The most important thing is being a GMcite. You're the luckiest guy on earth if you're in GMC. You're the luckiest guy on earth. I mean, I'm wearing this blazer proud, absolutely proud. And I assure you that all the GMcites who are listening to the show will be proud of the fact that a GMcite made it to the Raymond Magsaysay Award. And I believe from the bottom of my heart that the Raymond Magsaysay Award belongs to GMC. It belongs to GMC. Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you, Bharat.